Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a free app you could use to listen to your favorite podcasts. So if you're a big time podcast type of person and you always end up going to various websites to listen to your podcasts, or maybe you use some other app that you don't like, you could give this one a shot. So it's called FluentCast and it's free to use. So all you need to do is go to the Microsoft Store, do a search for FluentCast podcast, make sure there's no space. Look for this icon to make sure you have the right one, and then just install it. You either click on Get or Install, depending on your situation. And then once it's installed, you can just open it like any other app, and you'll have various sections here. So you have the Explore section with recommended podcasts, different categories there. You can search by genre if you want. So if we click on music, for example, like that. And let's say you found one you liked. You could either scroll through the available podcasts and listen to them on demand, or you could click on subscribe to have it added to your list. And then when you go to subscriptions, you'll have them showing there. And then you could also do a search, like I have my last search here for mountain biking. Then you have various results. Then you could search from your library or episodes. And then you have a playback history section here to show you what you've been listening to. And then if you downloaded any episodes, you could find them here. Then you have an unplayed episode right here as well. And then the now playing section. And then of course you have some tools here to refresh, play all, download all, mark as played. So let's say you go to one of your subscriptions here. Just pick one of the episodes, click on it.
This is a car show, but it's also more, because cars connect us to every part of our lives.
So you have your play and pause, your backward and forward, your volume, picture in picture, and then your speed if you want to speed it up or slow it down. And then up here at the top right, you have some settings, so a lot of settings here. So on startup, where do you want it to go? The default is subscriptions. Change your region, background sync, refresh interval, notifications, auto download if you want to have your episodes automatically downloaded, auto delete, timeline, and so on. Then you could choose dark mode and light mode, just like with everything else. And then if you want to remove items from your search history, you could do that. Import and export options, clean up if you need to clean up the app, and then reset the app if you want to start over. Then it has some suggested apps here. This is actually a nice photo viewer. We did a video on that. So if you want to check that out, it's a nice replacement for the Windows Photo app if you're not a fan. And we also did a video for this My FTP client. It's a nice, simple FTP client you could use on your computer. And then if you want to donate to the cause, you could do that as well. All right, so once again, just go to the Microsoft Store, search for FluentCast, make sure you see this icon, install it, and then just do a search for your favorite podcasts or browse the available podcasts, subscribe as needed, and then you could listen to them whenever you like. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.